Ji bo dîtina baştir telefona xwe bizîvirînin. Please rotate your phone for a better view and experience.
Just like this silver flare coming back to the once again we are standing by for attempting to catch the booster at the tower. This would be the second tower catch.
Landing burn. Seeing 13 engines.
Booster now hovering as it aligns with the tower for catch.
Booster coming in. Get ready for that boom, Kate.
Down to 3 engines.
Booster ready for shutdown. Megazilla has caught the booster.
You heard it here. Megazilla has caught the booster.
Once again, for the second time, a successful catch by the launch tower. This is the same tower, the launch pad, where that booster took off from just 7.5 minutes ago.